Hello student, today I am going to explain you about the spreadsheet formula and function. It's your second chapter. Okay, so here I am opening this window. It's a MS Excel 2007. Okay, you can see the window. So spreadsheet, what is spreadsheet? Spreadsheet is a file made of rows and columns. Okay, made of rows and column, as you see in the window, and that help sort, arrange and organize data efficiently and calculate numerical data. And we can put the function and calculation of mathematical with the help of this Excel sheet. Okay, so here you can see here is a A, B, C, D. These are the columns. Okay, these are the columns, and here is the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4 like this. So these are the rows. Clear? So if you want to see how many columns are present in your worksheet, in your sheet, so what you have to do? You just press control button, control key and right arrow. When you press control plus right arrow, then you reach the last column of the cell of the sheet. Here is the last column, XFD. Clear? And you want to return, then again control and left side arrow. So you come to first column. Same here, if you want to see the last row, how many rows are present in your sheet, so control and bottom arrow, control plus bottom arrow. So you reach the last row, and again if you want to go to top, then control and top arrow. Clear that? And by default here are three worksheets are available by default. Sheet 1, if you want to work on sheet 2, select sheet 2. If you want to work sheet 3, then select sheet 3. Okay, and you can rename your sheet. How to rename? Just right click on the sheet, and here is the option rename. Click on rename and type here your sheet name. Suppose ABC. It's a sheet name. So you can see here it's a sheet name is ABC. Clear that? Next is it's a title bar, where is written book 1 Microsoft Excel is known as title bar. It's a minimize button, maximize button and close button, cross button. Okay. After this, it's a menu bar. Next is the formatting toolbar, and this one where is written FX, this part is known as formula bar. Okay, is known as formula bar. And here where is written A1, so it's a cell address bar. See, our cursor is in first row and first column. Row value is 1 and column value is A. So address of this cell is, name of cell is A1. Suppose we put a cursor here. Okay, column is D and row is 6. So you can see here cell address has been changed. Here is D6. Clear? So it's a cell address, particular cell address. See? Let's discuss about the formula. Suppose here we put some numbers and I want to find the sum of these numbers. Okay, we put here number. You can change the formatting, means we select all these number and click on center alignment. So all numbers are aligned at a center position. Okay, if you want to bold these numbers, so click on bold. So your numbers are bold. If you want to change the color of the numbers, so you can select any color here. See, you can, I hope you are not seeing these formatting. Wait a minute. Yes, now you can see. Okay, our numbers are changed in red color. Okay, now I want to find the sum of these numbers. So in Excel sheet there are predefined formula in Excel. Predefined means already declared or already defined in a spreadsheet. These formula only we have to put the formula here. We want to sum, so firstly if you write any formula, use the is equals to sign, is equals to. Okay, then formula sum. When you write sum formula, so here it's a sum. Add instruction is given there, adds all the numbers in a range of the cells. Okay, so here we start this one braces. So here you see in formula number 1 comma number 2 means how many numbers you want to sum. You just erase that number here, or you just give the cell address. Cell address you know na, it's a row is 1 and end of the row is 6. In 7th row it's we put the formula. So we start with 1 to 6. Okay, and which one column is C. So it's a very simple method. You just put your cursor here. Okay, and drag with mouse button here. You see, I want to sum of these numbers. So when you drag from top to bottom where enter the number, see it just put the cell address automatically. C1, C is the column and 1 is the beginning number. Okay, 1 is the row, there we start the 25. After this we drag it, address of next end cell is C6. C6 means this one, है ना? So it automatically take the cell address. After writing this cell address, you close the braces. Simple. Okay, is equals to sum C1 to C6. We want to sum of these elements, these numbers. Now click on enter key. When you click on enter key, so here is the 421, which is the addition of these numbers. Okay, when you put the cursor here, so you can see in formula bar, it's a formula, है ना? In formula bar, formula is equals to sum C1 to C6. Clear? Simple formula. The second way to find the sum, you simply is equals to write the formula, is equals to, then you put the write the cell address. What is the cell address? C1. So you have to write C1 plus C, column is same, only row value is changed. C3 plus C4 plus C5 plus C6. Clear? After this you click on enter key, so you get the result. You having two methods, simply you write the cell address or you simply drag with the help of mouse button, with the help of mouse. Okay.